much concern.
Meghalaya government is contemplating to construct a veterinary college at Kyrdemkhla in Bhoi. Informing this, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Minister A.L. Haque said that the department already has around 800 acres of land and there is no problem with land acquisition. Hoping that the centre would soon accord sanction for the project for which DPR is being prepared, he said that the proposed university would be of great help for the students of the state and the region.
How big is it going to be? And
we have preparations, the proposal, the concept notes to have the veterinary college in Meghalaya. So we propose this, we have got land in Kyrdemkhla. So we propose for the veterinary college. Now we have land almost more than 800 acres. If we require 100 acres, 200 acres, the veterinary department has no problem to part the land for the veterinary college.
The government of Meghalaya